Welcome to our channel. Well, stick around because we're about to uncover the 10 biggest risks of AI. Dream of robot coworkers. Today, we explore AI's impact on daily life. Can you imagine working with machines? Future jobs by robots? Talking AI risks on employment. How about a robot colleague? How do you feel? Can we really trust the machines? Exploring AI in healthcare. Would you trust a machine with your well-being? And let's get started. So let's get started and join us to learn new with AD. Stay with us to find out.
Can AI replace with human? How is AI affecting job markets globally, and what are the potential consequences for employment?
AI and robots doing jobs might sound cool, but it can also replace some human jobs. Think of it like having a helpful robot colleague. We need to learn new skills to team up with these tech buddies.
Does AI is safe? How does AI compromise personal privacy? And what steps can be taken to mitigate these concerns?
AI often needs personal info to be smart, but it's important to keep our secrets safe. It's like telling a robot your favorite color without sharing your whole life story. We need rules to protect our digital secrets.
How can we hold AI systems accountable for their decisions, especially when they go wrong?
Ensuring accountability for AI decisions is crucial. When AI systems make mistakes or biased decisions, it's important to identify and rectify these issues. Establishing mechanisms for algorithmic accountability and transparency is necessary for building user trust.
Is society becoming too dependent on AI? And what are the consequences of over-reliance on these systems?
Over-reliance on AI without proper safeguards can lead to unforeseen risks and vulnerabilities. It's important to maintain a balance and not delegate critical decision-making solely to AI systems, ensuring human oversight and intervention when necessary.
How can governments and international bodies effectively regulate AI to ensure responsible and safe development?
The absence of proper regulations and standards for AI development and deployment poses risks. Establishing clear and comprehensive regulations is essential to guide the responsible development and use of AI, preventing potential misuse and ensuring alignment with ethical principles.
What are the potential risks and benefits of AI in healthcare? And how do we balance innovation with patient safety?
AI in healthcare brings opportunities for innovation, but also raises concerns about patient safety and data security. Striking a balance between leveraging AI for medical advancements and ensuring robust safeguards is crucial to build trust in AI applications within the healthcare sector.
Is there a genuine concern that AI could pose an existential threat to humanity, and how can we prevent such a scenario?
Some experts express concerns about AI posing an existential threat to humanity. While these concerns may be speculative, it underscores the importance of ethical guidelines, responsible development practices, and international cooperation to prevent unintended consequences.
In what ways can AI contribute to or exacerbate existing social inequalities, and what measures can be taken to address this?
AI has the potential to exacerbate existing social inequalities. Addressing this risk involves implementing measures to ensure fairness, inclusivity, and accessibility in AI systems, preventing the technology from disproportionately benefiting certain groups while disadvantaging others.
How does the rise of deepfake technology pose risks to trust in media and the spread of misinformation?
Deepfake technology, which creates realistic-looking fake videos, poses threats to trust in media and the potential for misinformation. Addressing these challenges involves developing advanced detection methods and promoting media literacy to help people discern between real and fake content.
What strategies can be implemented to address potential unemployment challenges resulting from increased automation?
Increased automation and the integration of AI into workplaces could lead to job displacement. This necessitates proactive measures such as retraining programs, education initiatives, and policies to support workforce transitions and create new job opportunities.